Saving money on electricity. A money-saving maintenance. An electrical appliance that does not work at maximum capacity results in less than ideal performance and higher electricity bills. That is why it is best to save on electricity in order to save more money. Here is how you can get everything saving up. 1. Keep your appliances clean and well maintained. Regular cleaning and maintenance keeps your appliances in top shape, hence, it will perform better and consumes lesser energy. Energy saved is money saved. 2. Have an annual checkup by a qualified service technician. This can reduce the appliance's operating costs by as much as 20%, extend the life of the system, and improve its safety and air quality. 3. When using air conditioners, it is best to establish your comfort temperature, and then setting your thermostat at that level permanently. This will definitely save on electric bills because the air conditioning unit takes less energy to cool air 4 to 5 degrees than it does to cool air 8 to 10 degrees. 4. Replace any items that may have been 10 years or older already. Old appliances are most likely not at their optimum efficiency. By replacing them, your electric bills may be cut by half. 5. If you experience a power outage, make sure you turn off the switch on your appliances and allow time to pass before turning the appliances on again when the power returns. 6. In refrigerators, do not overstuff compartments with bottles and plastic containers. Cool air must circulate freely to avoid overworking the condenser. Also, try not to leave the door of your refrigerator as open as possible or open longer than what is needed. This will have the tendency to allow the cool air to break out. 7. Always try to look for the energy-saving logo or notes whenever you buy your new appliances. Buying an appliance with a logo that states it consumes lower energy, it will definitely let you save more money on your electricity. 8. Always use energy-saving lights or light bulbs. These energy-saving lights or light bulbs usually last up to 12 times longer. Plus, energy-saving light bulbs consume less energy. Hence, you will be able to save more money just by saving on electricity. 9. Use energy-saving facilities at home like energy-saving windows or energy-saving appliances. This will lessen the consumption of energy and, thus, will let you save on money. For instance, use a double-glazed window instead of the ordinary window. 10. Use insulators at home. This will not let the warm or cool air out, and vice versa. Indeed, saving on electricity will definitely save more money. Click the link below for more information. Also, if you find this content was helpful, please, give us a like and don't forget to share and subscribe.